Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem. Run a speed test on a wired computer to get a baseline and rule out ISP issues. Once done, power cycle your modem and router, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait until all lights stabilize. While those devices restart, plug a laptop directly by Ethernet to compare wired versus wireless speeds. This tells you whether the Wi-Fi link is the bottleneck or something upstream. Now focus on the router and surroundings. Log into the router admin page, update firmware if available, and apply settings with a reboot. Then scan nearby networks and switch to the least congested channel or force 5 GHz for compatible devices to get higher throughput. Make sure the router sits in a central, elevated spot away from metal cabinets, baby monitors, or microwaves so signals don't scatter. These changes reduce interference. Finish by validating changes. Run several speed tests in key rooms and at peak times to confirm improvement. If some devices still lag, enable quality of service to prioritize streaming or work devices, and consider upgrading to a modern Wi-Fi 6 router or adding mesh satellites for coverage. Make sure to note test results and modem logs. If speeds remain low, contact your ISP and provide those measurements. Quick troubleshooting tip. If one device fails repeatedly, reset its network settings before assuming broader network faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.